Hey, you. Yes, you. Listen up. I know, you're poor and it's unfortunate, but you'll stay that way. Do you want to know why? Well, it's quite simple. Banks, like all businesses, are in it for one thing, to make money. And guess who's footing the bill? That's right, it's you, the customer. Banks charge fees for services you might think are free. From checking account fees to ATM fees, a few dollars here and there might not seem a lot, but multiply that by millions of customers and you've got a hefty income stream. But the real moneymaker for banks is interest. This is the primary tool banks use to make money. They lend your money to borrowers at high rates, and then they turn around and offer you a savings account with an interest rate that's laughably low. The difference between these rates is their profit. So in essence, you are the fuel to the bank's money-making machine. But does it seem like the banks are having an unfair advantage? Well, let me let you in on a little secret. They do. It's all thanks to a nifty trick called fractional reserve banking. Now, this is where things get interesting. Banks only need to hold on to a small fraction of the total deposits they receive as reserves. That means they can lend out the rest of your hard-earned money. And here's the kicker. They earn interest on this money. Money that, let's face it, doesn't really exist apart from a few numbers on a screen. It's a bit like a magician pulling rabbits out of a hat, except the hat is your bank account and the rabbits are your savings. Now imagine if everyone decided to withdraw their money all at once. The bank would be in quite a pickle, wouldn't it? So, you see, banks are playing a game that you simply cannot win. But what if you could turn the tables? Imagine having the financial savvy to make your money work for you, instead of you working for it. It's not just about earning, but learning how to maximize your earnings. One way is by investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate. Think of it as planting seeds. Over time, these investments can grow and provide a steady income stream, even when you're not actively working. But to do this, you need to understand the financial system and how to use it to your advantage. Banks have been playing this game for centuries, and it's time you learn the rules too. Education is the key. There are countless resources available to help you understand personal finance. Books, online courses, podcasts. Choose what suits you best. Remember, knowledge is power. So equip yourself with financial knowledge and don't let banks play you for a fool.